Let's discuss problem 2.
In this problem, you will identify medians and altitudes. Part A. For triangle PQS, is segment PR a median, an altitude, or neither? Explain. How do you determine whether a segment is an altitude or a median? Look at whether the segment is perpendicular to the line containing a side, an altitude, and or bisects a side, a median. Segment PR is a segment that extends from vertex P to the line containing segment SQ, the side opposite P. Segment PR is perpendicular to ray QR. So, segment PR is an altitude of triangle PQS. Part B. For triangle PQS, is segment QT a median, an altitude, or neither? Explain. Remember that if the segment is perpendicular to the line containing a side, it is an altitude. If the segment bisects a side, it is a median. Segment QT is a segment that extends from vertex Q to the side opposite Q. Since segment PT is congruent to segment TS, T is the midpoint of segment PS. So segment QT is a median of triangle PQS.
Let's have an example here. So for triangle ABC, is AD a median, an altitude, or neither? Explain. So AD is a segment from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So therefore, AD is a median because it connects the vertex of triangle ABC to the midpoint of the opposite side. So the correct answer will be A. So now we are ready to answer got it too. So for triangle ABC, each segment is a median, an altitude, or neither. Explain. So here we have AD. So AD is a segment that forms the vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. So AD is a median since the segment is formed from the vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. So in this case, A is the vertex and D is the midpoint of the opposite side. What about EG? So this is EG. EG is neither a median nor an altitude since point E is the midpoint of one side, AC, but G is also a point on the opposite side, AB. So it's neither a median nor an altitude. What about CF? This is CF. So CF is an altitude since it connects the vertex C of the triangle ABC and a point on the opposite side that makes segment CF perpendicular to side AB.